When parenting time is missed, the understandable reaction is to describe the entire relationship as unfair. A stronger preparation process starts with the current order and the specific event. What time, place, and action does the order require? What happened instead? What record shows the difference? What are you asking the court to do? This episode explains how to document a pattern without exaggerating it. Enforcement procedures and remedies vary, so this is educational information, not legal advice. Read the exchange language carefully. A clear order may identify the date, time, location, transportation responsibility, and what happens when a visit must be changed. General language such as reasonable time or by agreement may create a different problem. You may need clarification or modification rather than treating every disagreement as a clear violation. Do not silently rewrite the order in your notes. Quote the relevant paragraph and mark unclear language as a question for local legal or court help guidance. Create one row for each missed or disputed event. Use columns for the date, required time, required place, what you did to comply, what the other parent did, the communication connected to the event, and the result. Keep the language factual. Instead of writing "they always sabotage visitation," write that the July 8th exchange was scheduled at 5 p.m. at the library. You arrived at 4:55, and the exchange did not occur. If there was a safety issue or emergency, record the facts and the source without making a legal conclusion. Save the messages, emails, call logs, calendar entries, receipts, and location records that help explain each incident. Keep the full relevant conversation, not only the sentence that makes your point. Add a short note explaining what the record directly shows. If you ask to reschedule, record when, why, and how the response affected the exchange. If you declined an exchange, record the reason and any supporting information. Your goal is a reliable chronology, not a folder of insults. A court may need to distinguish one unavoidable event from repeated noncompliance. Count the incidents accurately and identify the date range. Do not count the same event twice because it produced several messages. Do not omit an event where you were also unable to comply. Include facts that cut both ways when they matter. That makes your summary more credible and may reveal whether the solution is enforcement, a clearer order, a schedule adjustment, mediation, or another local process. If the other parent is not following a clear order, your court may have an enforcement process. If circumstances changed and the existing schedule no longer works, a modification process may be more appropriate. The names, forms, standards, and deadlines vary by jurisdiction. Do not assume contempt is the answer to every disagreement. Read the official court instructions and ask a qualified local resource which process addresses the problem you actually have. Before asking the court for help, write the practical result you want. Do you need the current schedule followed, a makeup process, a clearer exchange location, a communication method, supervised exchanges, or a different schedule? A request that says "make them stop" is not as useful as one that describes a workable term. If safety or abduction is part of the facts, use the urgent local resources and court procedures that apply to that concern. Do not put a child in the middle or try to enforce an order through threats. Your packet should include the current order, the incident log, an exhibit index, relevant full communications, proof of filing, or service if required, and a one-page summary of the request. Keep the original records safe. Bring copies or files in the format the court requires. Review your own conduct honestly and be prepared to answer questions about every incident. If the court offers a self-help center, mediation, parenting coordinator, or legal aid referral, learn what that service can and cannot do. Start with the current order and create the incident log for the last 5 relevant events. Use exact dates and times. Attach one supporting record to each row, then verify whether your local court treats the issue as enforcement, modification, or another request. Review the child custody hearing roadmap at practicalcourtprep.com for an organization aid that keeps the order, timeline, exhibits, and requested result together. Verify current local requirements before filing anything. Download the child custody hearing roadmap at practicalcourtprep.com. Educational information, not legal advice. Verify current local requirements.